Hello and welcome. Today I am going to continue the seasons and climates video. So in the last video we have learned that there are different type of seasons: spring, summer, winter, monsoon, autumn, and we have described till monsoon, and now it's what time is to describe autumn and revise the other season. So let's start. So let's first revise all the season. So season basically are spring. So let's start from spring. Summer, winter, it comes between summer and winter season, and days gradually be brighter, warmer and wetter. Leaves grew and baby animals are born. So basically like leaves grow in that period and baby animal are born. Now summer, hottest season of the whole year, and the days get more longer and the night gets shorter. Green leaves on the tree, so there are greenness in everywhere. Now we go to monsoon. Monsoon in the rainy season, in the sense it comes with a highly wind and corresponding with rain and thunderstorms. So that's what monsoon season is about. Now autumn, it's a time where uh, trees start to, it's a time when summer leaves change to winter. Why they change to winter? Because it's a period where, means after autumn it comes winter. So basically autumn is the gradual process, it's a season when trees shed their leaves, and it's a process by which the summer season leaves change to winter season's dry dead trees. So temperature starts to cool. Starts to cool. You will feel the coolness in it, and of course the leaves on the trees change their color to orange and brown. And then fall on ground. So basically, this season has another name as fall, because in that season every leaves has like shed their leaves. So basically, this is also a name called fall. Now we go to the deadliest season ever recorded in a whole wide world. It's winter. Winter is the coldest season. Coldest season. Days get longer. Days get shorter and nights get longer. And of course, some animals go thick coats keep them warm, and others just fall asleep or hibernate. So basically, those animals who are in polar region, for example, the polar bear, and some like fox, like that polar fox and jaguar, there are many a jaguar. They actually go under the snow and hibernate for 6 to something in months, and basically it's 6 months or 8 months or less than also it approx or average, I will say. As I told you, the approximate hibernation days are from like something like 6 months. So this may be the time being for different animals be longer or shorter. Why they hibernate is the reason because the winters are so deadliest thing for them, because they're so dark. No animal, no trees grow in the snow, and that's why they can't find out food for themselves. So that's what make them so helpless, and they have one choice, that is to sleep for 6 to 8 months, because till then winter will be over and summer will arise. So even though some parts of the countries which are warmer than that places, still they hibernate because they will not get any food and water to live on. So and many animals grew some thick coats and to keep them warm so that they will protect themselves from the cold and deadlier winds of winter. And of course, some animals go to their burrow and their home shelter. For example, some of the ant, if you have seen the story, they collect many things in summer and in winter they will chill out in their home. And like that, many animals collect food and they stay happily ever in their homes. So basically, winter is a time of the most coldest season, and it's coldest than ever been seen in the whole year. So now we'll go to some extra knowledge. This is about season, fruit, flowers, and festivals. So these are some things like these are seasons. You can see these are fruit section. This is the flower section. And this is the festival section. So in the season section, the first number is of summer, but we'll start with spring because we should go with like line wise. So spring. In spring, cherries, limes, pineapple grow very much well, and pineapples, cherries, limes they grow fresh and all. That's the month of That's the season of like fruits like limes, cherries, and pineapple. Now flowers. It's like witch hazel, camellia, and pansy are the thing which grows well in this season. So witch hazel, camellia, and pansy. Now festival is Holi, and many more festivals come in that particular season. But Holi is the brightest thing because it's known to each one of us as I expect each one of us. Holi is the festival of colors. So in that colors festival, we play with colors, and some play with dry and some play with wet. So that's their own choice. So that's what thing. Now we'll go for the second thing with summer. And mango is the fruit, mangoes, watermelon, and ice apple. So this ice apple, mango, and watermelon are the things we mostly grow. Mango, the king of the fruits. And then we'll go for flowers. Flowers are fresh in this season are marigold, lotus, rose, hibiscus, and lilies. They grow fresh and very much well in this season. As I told you in my all of the videos, like in my plant video, that every season has its own type of fruits and festivals, means flowers. So basically, summer season has this much fruits. These fruits cannot grow in a winter season because they will not get the particular climate, like particular weather they want to. Summer season faces a much of heat. Those are in like the season of the northern hemisphere, so they will get summer suppose. So that part will grow some mangoes, watermelon, ice apples. So this will grow better in summer rather than winter, rather than autumn, rather than spring, because this is the season of that particular flower, fruit, or festival. So this is season. Okay. Now flowers, of course, marigold, lotus, rose, hibiscus, lilies are the basic ones. So we know this all. These are the flowers which we are growing in the garden, except for lotus. Lotus are grown in the muddy water, but I don't know, somewhere someone must be having this in the garden. Okay. So now festival is Baisakhi. It's a Indian festival. So and there's many people know about this. And next we'll go for monsoon. So monsoon in fruit, it is lychee, peach, and plum. So these are the fresh fruits will grow in the monsoon season. Next flowers are jasmine and balsam. So jasmine and balsam are the flowers which will grow very much well in the season. Now festivals are Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is another thing in another festival in which like this is a bonding through both brothers and sister in this in Indian rituals. It is how we tie Raksha Bandhan, means a Rakhi, to our sisters. Brothers tie Rakhi to their sister. It's like a type of ritual followed by all of us. Those are brothers and sisters in that particular day, and it comes in the monsoon season. Now we will go for the next season, which is autumn. So autumn, the fruits are fresh in this autumn period as apple, blueberries, kiwi. These are the fresh fruits we will get in autumn season. Now flowers are hibiscus, and this is a name. So I'm just spelling out it's like spelling. So CHYRSATHEMUM, chrysanthemum, something like that. So you just spell it out. I spell it out. You just pronounce it. Next festivals are Diwali. So Diwali is a light, like festivals of light. In this festivals, many people light up diyas, rangolis. Not light up rangolis, but they make rangolis, different type of rangolis, and of course that lights, decorative lights, are put on, and somewhere like almost everyone, like kids and all, play with crackers. Different type of crackers are available, like that they play and enjoy that day. That's a day actually never no one can put their home as dark. So that's what a thing is. Now we'll go to the winter. As I told you, in winter it's so like it's so cold that no one can stay, but still some fruit flowers are available. So what are they? As I told you, each flower, each fruit, each vegetable also needs a particular weather, a particular season to grow. Now winter consists of strawberries, papaya and figs. So strawberries, papayas and figs grow this in season very well. And flowers like dahlia, phlox and Nemesia, they also grow very well in this season. Now festivals are Onam. This is a festival and called as Onam. In winter fruits like strawberries, papaya and figs are grown. So now let's have a quick recap about what we learned in my last video also. So let's go to the last video. So in my last video, we have seen in the season and climate video that there are different type of season, and different type of season have different type of their things. And India, they have springs as Vasant, summer as Grishma, monsoon as Varsha, autumn as Sharad, and pre-winter as Hemant, and winter as Sita. And we have seen that the circular thing. So in March, how if in the both of area in northern and southern hemisphere, the sun rays go with, and in June the sun rays only fall in northern hemisphere, and southern hemisphere don't receive that much of sun ray. Now in the September, the sun rays actually fall in both of the hemisphere well. Now in the December, only southern hemisphere get much of the heat, much of the heat and much of the sun shines. So it's the time when southern hemisphere has summer and northern hemisphere have winter, and in June northern hemisphere have summer and southern hemisphere have winter. And in this we have shown the climate. So what are the climate over here? These are polar zone, these are temperate, these are subtropical, these are tropical, tropical, subtropical, temperate and polar. Tropical, subtropical, temperate, polar. So tropical is the area is very hot and damp all day around, and it's like rains a lot and thunderstorms are common. Now subtropical, here summers are long and dry and winters are mild and short. But not like mild and short. Now in temperate is the extreme condition and the rarest in the whole world. So it's a very good weather here. So summers are warm, winters are cold but not freezing. Now polar, in this icy, dry all year around here, and long and dark. Winters are long and dark, and summers are shines most of the time. Now let's go to our today's topic. The topic of discussion. Let's go to our today's video. So today's video was based on spring, summer, winter, monsoon, and autumn's description. So spring, summer, between summers and seasons, and we know that brighter and warmer days, wetter days, leaves grow and baby animals are born. Summer's hottest of the days ever seen, and shorter and green leaves on the trees. Like days are longer and nights are shorter, and green leaves on the tree. Winter, coldest season, and it's like some animals go. Others just fall asleep. Actually, animals go for a sleep and go for hibernation. Then monsoon, rainy season, autumn is the time of starts temperate. Then fall, like shed their. Actually, in this time, summer leaves and winter comes. So this is a gradual process when leaves shed. So here is season chart. You can see my season chart over here, and we have discussed all the things. So here's what the video is about. Hope you understand the video well. Meet you in my next video. Till then, bye.